It's time for Smart Money Monday. Now, the thought of rebuilding Maui does seem far away, but we also know that the sooner we start, the sooner we can heal. So to guide us on just what our next steps should be, we have Brenda Mitchell from Bank of Hawaii. Aloha to you, Brenda.
Aloha, Grace. As you mentioned, recovery will take time, but knowing what steps to take after the Maui wildfires or any disaster can offer some light at the end of the tunnel.
So the first priority is always your safety, right?
Absolutely. Once you and your loved ones are safe, then take stock of your cash flow and upcoming bills. Credit card terminals are often down following a disaster, so get cash for essentials like medicines, gas, and groceries. Prioritize your bills, such as paying insurance premiums so your coverage won't lapse.
You know, cash is so important, but what about paying for your credit card bills and your mortgage?
Even in a disaster, really try to protect your credit. So if possible, contact your creditors before your payment is due. You might also ask if they offer forbearance or loan extension programs that could help.
And insurance claims?
We'll talk more about homeowners insurance next week, but these basic steps apply for all types of insurance. First, review your policy so you know what's covered. Next, survey and document the damage. And lastly, save your receipts, since some expenses may be reimbursed, such as temporary housing or even transportation.
If your home is damaged, can you go ahead and start to make repairs?
It's really best to hold off until the insurance adjuster has addressed the damage. But if there's a dangerous situation, then document it and do what's needed to make it safe.
What are some of the other resources that people can turn to?
Remember, you're not alone. Talk to your financial institution. Reach out to a local nonprofit, ask for food or services, and connect with government agencies that have people and resources to assist with disaster and financial recovery, like FEMA, the SBA, and even the IRS.
And maybe make sure to keep to the organizations that you have heard of, right?
Yes, especially in vulnerable times like these. Beware of fake safety inspectors or even people who claim to be from your bank. Remember, don't give anyone any information or money until you know for sure that they are legitimate.
All right, some important tips for our neighbors on Maui. Thank you.
So glad we could help, Grace. And just so your viewers know, the information shared here today, along with other resources, can be found at boh.com/Maui Relief.
And that is your Smart Money Monday.